In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add an affiliate link in GoDaddy Website Builder step by step. Whether you're promoting Amazon products, Canva, Awin, AliExpress, or any other affiliate platform, this guide will help you properly insert your tracking link so you can start earning commissions directly from your website. If you find this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future website and online business tutorials. Now, let's get started. The first step is to copy your affiliate link. To do this, log in to your affiliate dashboard. This could be Amazon Associates, Canva's affiliate program, Awin, AliExpress, or any other network you're using. Once you're inside your dashboard, find the product or offer you want to promote and generate your unique affiliate link. This link will usually include a tracking ID or referral parameter at the end. For example, it might look something like affiliatewebsite.com/product ref equals your ID. Make sure you copy the entire link exactly as it appears so your commission is tracked properly. Next, we need to open your GoDaddy Website Builder editor. Go to godaddy.com and log into your account. Once logged in, click on My Products. Under the Websites Plus Marketing section, click Manage next to the website you want to edit. Then click Edit Website to open the Website Builder. This will launch the visual editor where you can modify your pages. Now you need to decide how you want to add your affiliate link. In GoDaddy Website Builder, you can add affiliate links to text, buttons, images, or even HTML embed sections if you're using affiliate banners or widgets. The most common and beginner-friendly method is adding the link to text, so let's walk through that first. To add your affiliate link to text, click on any text block on your page. This could be a product description, a blog post, or a simple call to action like Buy Now or Check Price. Highlight the specific words you want to turn into a clickable link. Once the text is highlighted, a small formatting toolbar will appear. Click on the link icon in that toolbar. A field will open where you can paste your URL. Paste your full affiliate link into the box, double-check that it's correct, and then click Done. Your text is now clickable and connected to your affiliate link. If you prefer using a button instead, the process is very similar. Click on the button element on your page, look for the button link settings, and paste your affiliate URL into the link field. This works great for strong calls to action like Shop Now, Get the Deal, or View Product. After adding your affiliate link, always test it. Click Preview in the top right corner of the editor, then click your link to make sure it redirects properly to the correct product page. This step is important because if the link is broken or incomplete, you won't receive commissions. Once everything is working correctly, click Publish to make your changes live on your website. Your affiliate link is now active and ready to generate potential earnings whenever visitors click through and make a purchase. That's it. You successfully added an affiliate link in GoDaddy Website Builder. As your traffic grows, these small optimizations can turn into real passive income over time. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step website and online income guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.